Hello YouTube. So here is another Lost Maps update. Not really a lot's gone off this time, being mostly concentrated on modelling it, but you can see everything looks different because I've vastly expanded it. This is all the same. One feature I did add was this TV here, which you all saw, which I've took back out, but because it's medieval, there's not really TVs. Another feature I've added is the torch. So you pick it up and it disappears. So when it's dark, you can equip it and it'll light up wherever you go, like so. So it's like a little torch thing what you can run around with. So it's quite cool. The other feature I've added is if you double tap space, you begin to start flying. So you can fly on a cloud, like so. And the only other really feature I've added to it is what you call it, the land, which is if I go back to the scene view, you can see is now, instead of just this little bit here, is now all of this has been into a new land. So it'll take a long time to get from there to there, but this is only one area. When you go up to that area there, it should spawn another one, and then when you go over to another one. These aren't finalised. I'm working on height maps for it, but ever so often in here, waves should spawn. But since I expanded the map, there's been a lot of glitching, so it's not perfect waves, but it's not. They also move as well, yeah. I've made water moves with shaders, and lava slowly moves as well, but it's nothing perfect, as you can see. Slowly moving, just to simulate it. It's just a basic shader, but yeah. So what I have been working on mostly is modelling, so I'm trying to get some kingdom areas done. So if I open up 3ds Max, this is what I've been working on. I've got to be careful because you can only see a limited bit of it. So there's the outer shell of it. It's actually an armory for inside the kingdom. I'm not sure about the hay roof. I'm planning to get rid of that. But if I hide the roof and the door and the panels, the walls, hide them, you can see we've got the innards of it. So you've like got tables in it where you can store armor. You got long ones to store pikes, axes, and bows. You got candle lamps, and you also got floor lamps. These ones here where you put particles on top, it burns. It looks good. And then you got mini ones to store little axes and swords. Tables to store daggers and stuff like that. So that's all that's really been done. I'm not sure about the floor myself though, but yeah, so that's the armory which I'm working on for the castle, so hopefully that'll work. But then when it's done, the way the map will be working out from the planning so far is, once this actually lets me move there, the big kingdom. So imagine this is the full map. The air castle will be here, so the order of the heavens will be here. The nature or light one, the sentinels, will be here, and the ravaged will be up here, pretty much taking all of it because they are the biggest one at the moment. We are on the bounds of talking whether or not the ravaged are human or an alien life form. It's kind of throwing it off medieval topic, but then again, how many humans do you know that can walk on lava? I know you can have air and stuff, but it's just, we've got to try and argue it right. Thank you to everyone who answered my questionnaire when I posted it on my Facebook group. I actually need that for the paperwork behind it, because I need to answer a questionnaire, so yeah. But thank you to everyone who did it. I'm hopefully getting this working soon, so I'll just open up the height map I am working on and show you what the castle will look like. So that's the height map for the kingdom one here, the castle. So everything which is pretty much all this area here, so all this bit here, there, around there, all this bit around here is water, and then all these little patches in here, so everything on this main bit here is land. So imagine the Y is really tall mountain. So if I zoom in, not that one, you can see there's kind of a hill-ish thing of fading colours between this and this. So this is all the floor one here. That's all floor, this bit. Then these are slightly raised terrain, and then this bit's going to have a bridge across for water. So if I just put the kind of background layer on, which you cannot see a thing of, that's not helpful. But yeah, that's it. You can see where the building layouts are going to go. I'll show you that in a minute. So there's a bridge, and then you can go up, and then the castle will be this main white one here. So that's the castle. This one would just be a raised terrain again, and then I'm still working on just positioning the height map nicely. So this is the basic layout of the 3D castle. Please don't say it looks terrible, I know it looks terrible. All this grass and water will be took out completely. The castle walls have been modelled, they look okay, not the best. The bridge is messed up, I don't know why, I think I rotated them or something. But imagine if I stuck that one, so if I just copy that and stick it on here, and then resize it. This one's in grayscale to suit a height map, but that is basically what the height map will look like that. As you can see, it covers, if I flick between it quickly, you can see it covers certain areas in it, and then those will be height, and it's just to add a bit more randomness to it. But that's really all I've done. I've been working on modelling because I need a castle and stuff like that. Thank you again for answering the questionnaire. Please join my Facebook. Thank you for all the support, and I'll see you next time.